Hello everyone. Today we are taking a trip to the St. Albert Cheese Factory or the St. Albert Cheese Factory, which is a little outside of Ottawa, not far from Ottawa at all, and is famous for its cheese curds. You will get a glimpse of how cheese is made and packaged, and there is also a store, so I'll take you on a grand tour. Come along with me. The St. Albert Cheese Factory is a famous cheese producer in Canada. The factory is located in St. Albert, a village in eastern Ontario not far from Ottawa. The factory was established in 1894 and is well known for its high quality cheese, especially cheese curds. Where the cheese is made is a highly sanitized area, so I am not able to get into that area. It is all encased in glass, but I will show you the process. The St. Albert cheese has received numerous awards for its cheeses, recognizing their quality and flavor. The factory is committed to sustainable and responsible farming and cheese production practices. So the milk is usually quite fresh. The St. Albert cheese is deeply involved in the local community, and its success has positive economic and social impacts on the region. In addition to cheese curds, they produce various types of cheddar cheese, including aged cheddar, flavored cheddar, and more. So they also have seasonal specials. The St. Albert cheese offers seasonal cheese varieties, so it depends on the season that you go there. You can get to taste some of their different cheeses. Also, they do allow visitors into the area that the cheese is being made, but you have to book an appointment for that. The factory tour offers an educational experience where you can witness the cheese making process and gain insights into the art of cheese production. Dairy milk is used in the production of the cheese. The St. Albert factory gets its milk from local dairy farms, supporting the region's agriculture and promoting the use of high quality fresh ingredients. The milk is always fresh, people, so I've been told. This is why the cheese tastes so good. Now, in addition to their on-site store, their products are often available in various retail stores located across Canada. So the making is accessible to cheese lovers throughout the country. I'm close to that factory. Well, it's not such a long drive, and I had the opportunity to get cheese straight from the store, freshly made. Now the factory occasionally hosts events and tastings. So to be sure, you need to check and schedule your appointment, find out when the cheese tasting is taking place. It's one of the activities that the community and people from outside the community do enjoy, especially around different seasons, such as Christmas. As you can see here, the cheese goes on this thing here, and it is packaged over here. Now, these are really large bricks of cheese. See here what's happening? And this goes over and over. These are all the bricks of cheese, huge chunks of cheese. So this is the cheese that's ready for packaging. Once I was done the tour of the cheese factory, I went into the shop. Yes, the cheese shop. These are all the cheeses. Look at this. Big chunks of cheese, bigger than you would see in the regular stores. And they have different sizes. So we have the huge chunks, the smaller chunks. But regardless, they're quite big chunks of cheese and different flavors. These are the cheese curds. The cheese curds, they are known for their special. If these cheese curds make poutine taste like, whoa. I had some of the poutine also. And so all kinds of varieties, all different types of cheese, mainly cheddar cheese. Well, the cheese store also carries other items that goes with cheese. So you'll find like salami, anything like sauces, dip, anything that cheese goes with, that you can put cheese in, you can find in that store also. The Saint-Hubert cheese is particularly well known for its squeaky and fresh cheese curds. Yes, the cheese curds has a squeaky texture to it. These curds are popular snacks on their own, and they are key ingredients in Canada's iconic dish, the poutine. Yes, those cheese curds make poutine taste yum yum. You can typically find St. Albert cheese products in some grocery stores and specialty shops, especially in the region around St. Albert, Ontario.